This is the whole working of the MessMate app. There are few onboarding screen. We can click on get started or skip button. Here is this message. You need to register yourself as an institute before you can log in. And we click on this university registration. We just fill some details, and I have set up a fake email ID. And we'll just like this is a temporary email ID, and we'll just fill that details. First, I have pasted the email address, and then we'll copy the domain name and paste it in the institute domain name, and then we'll make some fake credentials, like temporary credentials. Then we'll just get started, and we are successfully registered. Now we'll log in with that email, and we are logging in and just refreshing our emails and sending the mails. So let's see. Um, it will take some time. Um, yes. So now we are able to. So we are seeing our screen. So there are a few versions of this app. One is a basic plan. So we, if we do not wish to see the ads, we can go to the pro version. It will be $100 a month. So 1 week free trial with this, and uh, yes. So let's see. And so now if we have purchased the subscription and we see the pro is active, and here we can manage our subscription to cancel, change plans, something like that. And we have this hostel uh, uploading thing like hostel CSV. This is the format. The column should be the hostel underscore name, and then we have hostel lists, and uh, then the similar thing for the users. So here we can upload the hostel CSV, similar thing for the user CSV, and the columns are email, hostel name, role, and full name. So role can be of four types: admin, like hostel admin, staff, security underscore guard, and student. Admin can add the users into their hostel, staff can schedule the meals, and the security guard can scan the QRs from the student screen, and students can book the meals from their app. And yes, so uh, so we'll be explaining that, and uh, we can click on logout, or we can add users from this manage users screen. And let me just um, add the hostel for now, uh, so that we can add a user uh, in the app. Like you need a hostel, so let's just click on the manage users, make a fake name like test name, and make a test email, and click on the role. We can select from several roles, select hostel, and we see the user is added. We can see, we can search, and uh, let's just change the role to the admin, and we see the UI will change. We can load the app again, so we see the uh, admin is changed, like the UI is changed. And I had made some changes in the backend to uh, associate this account with the hostel. So let's reload this app again once we see the profile screen. So yes. So we see the hostel is associated with this account, and we see no meal are scheduled because we haven't scheduled any meal. And the admin can only see the meals which are displayed, and the staff will be able to set them. You can also scan the QR code, and the same thing for the hosteler section. We can search for the users in their hostels, and just remove them if we need. And yes, so we can change the hostel, but we can remove the user. All right. Um, yes. So now we'll be changing to the staff screen, and no, all right. So from the staff screen looks like this, and now the tab bars have been changed. These two buttons appears. We can change the timings which will be served in the mess of the breakfast or lunch or snacks. we can configure the meals, aloo parantha and dahi, and we can make it recurring as well, so that every Friday, yes, today is Friday, so every Friday this meal will appear on the students and admin screens. And see here, it has been updated, and we can also scan the QR code from the student screen. And let's just change it to the student screen. Now the student has a vibrant UI, and let's see. So this is the student UI, the hostel name, the institute name, and this is the student's name. The current week will be shown. The student can only see the today's, tomorrow's meals, and the 21st and 22nd date have been blocked to prevent pre-booking, over pre-booking of the meals. And yes, so the booking time was already over, so we couldn't book the meals. And so here the user couldn't see the meals for further dates because of the restriction. And now let's change it to the security guard, and the security guard screen looks like this. So they can only scan the QR code, nothing else. All right, that was it for the video. Thanks for watching.